Get full hexdump of parsed packet in Pyshark. I am using Pyshark to parse packet from cap file. I have object of parsed packet. Separately I can get hex_value of each fields after changed row_mode attribute to true. How can I get hexdump of full packet?
Unfortunately, you cannot at the moment. Pyshark parses the output of Pyshark which does not contain the original packet bytes. You can try reassembling the packet yourself, but I wouldn't recommend it. As it stands, this feature can be added but is not possible at the moment. If you want that specifically, I suggest you use a different package or parse only the packets, without any protocols, yourself, or using construct or other similar packages.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.